everyone. Today, let's talk about why people are paying peanuts for your services. I have heard this question so many times in my own community, that is Freedompreneur by Design. So, there could be three reasons, according to me, why people are not ready to pay for your services. And number one reason could be that you are a newbie in this field or on a new platform. If you're using a social media platform for your services, then you may not have that authority or you may not have that influence so that people can know and buy from you directly. So it's very, very important to build trust factor before people buy from you. So you have to think about that angle. Number two reason could be your internal fears. Now, how internal fears are connected with people paying for your services? How internal fears are connected to people buying your services, right? So you might be thinking about it. Now, what happens when you have this internal dialogue in your own head that I'm not good enough, I can't do this, or I'm not an expert, or I do not have enough knowledge about it? When you deliver value with these internal fears, it reflects in your presentation, it reflects in your body language, and people can sense it easily. So that is the number two reason that people are paying you less or are not ready to pay for your services. Number three, if you are someone who have very limited knowledge about your core area of expertise, this could be a problem. So you have to increase that knowledge, or you have to improvise on your knowledge so that you have in-depth knowledge about your topic, about the concept that you want to teach, that you want to deliver to your audience, and become really, really good at. So these three reasons are the ultimate thing that people, it stops people from purchasing your product or program. Okay, and if you're someone who is really struggling to have audience that are really valuing your services, then you have to attend my upcoming workshop. It's going to be this Monday on November 8th from 1:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So in this workshop, I'm going to teach you the 6-step roadmap where you can convert your skill or knowledge into a program or a course that people would love to pay for it. Okay, and I'm going to post the link in the comments, so please come and join me. Okay, I will come up with another video soon, and until then,